In this super quick Adobe Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a background from an image and how to export said image with a transparent background, all in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So if you don't have Adobe Photoshop yet, then go ahead and check out the link in my description below to install and get a membership for Adobe Photoshop or Creative Cloud. Right. Once you've done that, go ahead and go to Adobe Photoshop. Now I'm going to grab an image that I got from Unsplash. So go ahead, go to Unsplash if you want and grab a stock image that's free, which is awesome. Pick your own and let's get started. So I'm going to go to Open and I'm going to choose this image and click on Open. Now there's a few new Adobe Photoshop tools that are awesome. Just bear in mind, sometimes the older tools work better. So let's see how it goes with this one. So this is the contextual tab. If you can't find it, go to Window, Contextual tab. And just click on Remove Background, click, and voila, it removed the background. Obviously, didn't do such a great job over here. All right, so let's undo, Command or Control Z, and try another method. Namely the older method, which I love, and it's over here. It's called the Object Selection tool, and it's also AI. So go ahead and select the Object Selection tool over here, and now click and drag across your object. And there, it did such a much better job at selecting, I think. Now to remove the background, you actually don't click on Remove. Instead, you click on this little icon for Layer Mask. It will create a mask from the selection. It will hide or mask the background instead of deleting it, which is so much better. So go ahead and click on it and voila, the background's been removed, which is awesome. Now to save it or export it into a PNG file, you go to File, Export, Export As. Select PNG and make sure the transparency button is ticked. And now click on Export, export to your desktop or wherever makes sense to you so it's easily accessible. And there we go, it's over here. If I click on Open with Preview, I will see that the background is indeed gone and not there, which is great, which is what I wanted. That's great. Now let's add a little color background or solid color in Photoshop terms to this as a background to make it cooler. We can go ahead and go on this little icon for adjustments and select solid color and perhaps a little yellowy color, which is quite nice. So if you play around with this, choose a yellow color. Now make sure to bring that layer of the solid color of the fill behind. And voila, now we have this. Feel free to go back to File, Export, and save it again, but this time with the background. Now, obviously, this is not perfect. If you zoom in, you will see that it is not perfect. And so if you wanted to learn more in depth on how to perfect selections, like this is a selection, how to edit it better, color adjust it, add a different background, and just get much better and deeper in Adobe Photoshop, then check out my Adobe Photoshop Beginners and Advanced class. The link is below. I also have a bunch of AI stuff in there, which is quite fun, and all sorts of editing for images, super cool. So I hope this was useful for you, this tutorial. My name is Kate Silver, and as always, it's an honor and a pleasure to teach you whatever I have to teach.